Welcome to Christ College Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Kasunjuk ki Seng Rangbah Catholic Zone 7 Jymmang Shillong Archdiocese ka khot ka wer sngob hai phi baro sha ka 8th annual meet ka banlong ha ka khat nyau bat khat pra Tarik Jymmang arjar akusan ha ka Yingmani Church of Mary the Mother of God Seng Parish. Ha ka sngi satjan ka khat nyau Tarik ka badairu ka sngi sedang ha ka por khandai baje min step in sedang da ka registration. Ha ka sngi utrai ka khat pra Tarik Jymmang ha ka por shipho baje min step in sedang da ka mas bakhot ha ka ban penmenta do Most Reverend Bernard Lalu Auxiliary Bishop ka Shillong Archdiocese. Ha ka por shi baje jan meet kan don ka Jymmang Sacrament bat ka cultural program. Ka phang padeng jong ka ni ka jing kendo lang jong kirang ba ka long ki pilgrim jong ka jing karmen. Kumta na kalyang kasunjuk ki Seng Rangbah Catholic Zone 7 Shillong Archdiocese, Lingbajong President Rangbah Uba Niki E Kharthang Mau, ka khot bat wer sngob hai phi baro ki para Rangbah na baro Santli ki parish, ki bahap apo ka Zone 7 jong ka Jalan Yamba Shillong, kumju e phi baro ki pa jong blay, kilong kami kilong kapa ki khun samla bat ki hep barit, banwan ban shimentalang ha ka tigasngi. Kajing wan shimentalang kajong phi kanong kajing aimen sim shu ingi kum kasunjuk ki Seng Rangbah banong ki bashit rem hagi kamen sim bat bangindang la shu banyalap ki kaktin kajong blay wan ban ma di kajing khu kajong blay kublay shibon bat Niki E Kharthang Mau President Sunjuk ki Seng Rangbah Catholic Zone 7 Shillong Archdiocese.